Bonjour, hello everyone. I'm Sniti, your French educator from Master French with Sniti, and today we are going to start with a new video of basic French. So, in today's video, we are going to learn the French pronunciations of the alphabets, which is les alphabets. So, do remember that I'll be pronouncing the French pronunciations two times, and let's get going. Here we have A, which is a, B, B. Be, see, say, d, they, e, a, f, 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 g, j, j, h, ash, ash, I, e, e, j, 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 k, ka, ka, l, 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 m, 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 n, 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 o, 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 p, 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 q, 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 r, 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 s, 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 t, 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 u, 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 v, 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 w, 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 x, 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 y, 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 z, z, z. So that was all for today's video. I hope that you liked it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. With that, thanks for watching. Bye bye and have a nice day.